The wind whispers the names of the men we lost up here. It's strange, the things you remember after all these years. See this here? That wasn't the rockets. That was the day we pulled the reconnaissance team out near the river. She saved my life more times than I can count. Hard to believe it's finally time to let her go. Hope they take care of her. She saved my life more times than I can count. Take care of her out there.
Keep it steady, easy now. Clear on the skid, and hold it right there. We are good.
This tag covers the main rotor assembly. We found significant pitting near the tail boom, which is why the photography is critical before we start the strip down.
We need to document the corrosion on the T-53 housing immediately. It's worse than the initial report suggested.
Agreed. The structural integrity here is...
All right, she's free. Bring it down steady. Copy that. Coming down, secured.
Make sure you get full coverage on the helical cut.
Yes, applying the 531 now. That's the click right here.
Reading is confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Does the bubble show any deviation on the longitudinal axis?
No, it's perfectly centered, just like the manual says.
Ground, this is Huey 69er. Taxiing to the east apron, request brake check approval.
They did a fine job restoring her. Brings back so many memories. She looks just like she did back then.
Look at the detail they put into the anti-torque system here.
It's flawless, runs smoother than new.
This is museum quality restoration.